Hello everyone, my name is Deya Rajiv Mukherjee and today I am going to present a poem for you all, and the title of the poem is Love. Love is a very special kind of emotion which does not require any condition. Love is like chocolate, which is very sweet but is also very delicate. Love is an emotion which is very pure, and this can make our lives happy for sure. When we feel tired or when we feel depressed, the love we get from our loved ones make us feel strong, and this love makes us feel more confident to fight for long. Love does not require any condition. It just requires some care and affection. In today's times, people who love you are really rare. So, if you have people who really love you, then you are lucky, because such people, as I have said, are very rare. So, make sure to give them the proper affection and care. So, love is something very special, and it makes our life full of happiness. So, let's love everyone happily and move on with a smile on our faces. Let's always show true love to everyone and live together united. Live with each other happily, and let's not hate each other. Let's always live as one team, as one whole. So, in the end, I would like to say, love is a very special kind of emotion, so don't let it go, and cherish it with lots of affection and emotion. Thank you.